Hello everyone. Last time we quickly took you through UX design. Let me continue your journey with user interface or UI. Welcome to We Judge, We Teach, We Make It Fun. What is UI? If UX is the floor plan and structural layout of a building, UI is its interiors. Without a good UI, a site is all logical and no beautiful.
Yo mom is so ugly. She was an extra in Thriller.
There are many judgmental people who judge your brand with just a look without considering the ability and functionality. Am I one of those? Nah. UX and UI go hand in hand. With that perfect sync, you create a masterpiece.
Name of the Father, the Son, and the
Holy Jesus!
In most of the organization, UI/UX designers are the same. But we also have some specialized UI designers who works their charm with creativity. If you are from graphic design or any creative field, you can fit in this role with a basic understanding of cognition and usability. The process starts with a basic understanding of the project and wireframes from the UX person. Number 1. Define grids. Grids are the basic layout in which your design would function on multiple screens. Defining grid will give you project a structure and first level of consistency across various modules. Number 2. Color palette. The color palette comes from the branding identity document defined and can be modified by adding with universal indicative colors. For example, green for success and red for error states. It should be consistent across the product. Number 3. Imagery usage. Make sure the image is consistent with the brand identity defined. Also, it goes hand in hand with the text it's aligned with. This will create a very beautiful effect. Number 4. Iconography. We use a lot of symbols in our day-to-day life to visually represent few things. The icon serves the same purpose on the screen. We would use a consistent set of icons throughout the product to make it look together. Number 5. Illustrations. As we go towards complicated representations, illustration become a part of our website. Illustrations are nothing but complex icons. We need to define the language and the look and feel for the same as well. Number 6. Typography. A typeface creates big impact in crafting a product. Your typeface should be crisp and justify your branding values. Mostly, this should be defined in wireframing stage itself. Define hierarchy and maintain consistency across your product. So quickly kill the like button for good design's sake. As you know, the word consistent is repeated over and over again. This becomes our design language or design system. This consists of all the mundane repeat elements that we defined throughout the system, which will be used as it is or with a few modifications throughout the system for, yeah, you guessed it right, consistency. This also helps us in not defining it again and again. This will directly help us in focusing on other important aspects like making it better in terms of layout or visually solving complex problems. Now you have a base. Let's construct the product around it. Layout. Take visual elements and start constructing layouts with visual hierarchy, one wireframe at a time. Rome wasn't built in a day. Add some toppings of micro interactions to enhance your user experience. Garnish it with some brand elements. Test it with your users. Rinse, repeat, launch. As usual, there is a catch. After obtaining result, we go to step 1 of user experience process. It's all iterative. We will check the entire process in detail in our upcoming episodes. Until then, please subscribe, post your comments, be judgmental, stay judgmental, and don't forget to press the bell icon.